Hey, how's it going? Jeff here from Deep Cycle Battery San Diego. If you've stumbled upon this video, maybe you're doing some research on what rechargeable AA battery to buy. Well, today we're going to talk to you about the PowerOwl nickel metal hydride rechargeable battery. It comes in an 8-pack with a charging cradle, and it gives you green and red indications where the battery state of charge. Okay, so PowerOwl sent me these AA rechargeable nickel metal hydride AA batteries. And I don't know if they sent me the Gold Top Pros or the regulars. So let's just take a quick look here. When you open up, you get a little tiny user manual that will explain here. Save you time from having to read it. Looks like they sent us a rechargeable tray. That's very cool. So there's 8 batteries in this pack. And they have a micro USB charging cable. So charging is going to take a while, a little bit longer. And that's fine. And these are going to be the regular batteries. I'm looking at the tops here, and these are not gold. They're silver top. Okay, so we'll explain if I can do some research on what the difference between the gold and the what they call the Pro and the regulars are. So there are 8 of these guys and a rechargeable tray. Very cool, and looks like the tray does light up. So that's what you get when you order it. And then charger instruction manual. And these are going to be the 2800 milliamp hour batteries. Really cool. So let's get into it. Let's charge them up and see how they roll. So out of the package, before charge, we can see the batteries coming in at 1.27 or 1.28 volts. Right out of the gate. Real cool. Throw that in there. The green goes red. Neat. So anyway, there it is. Very, very cool. The red lights are strobing a little bit, which doesn't bother me. It could bother you, but I'm not going to sit here and stare at this thing, so let it go. Cool, so they're blinking all red. Let's see what happens if we put one in backwards. They do have a legend to tell you which way the positive terminal goes, which is this direction. What happens if we put it in backwards? Probably give us an error message. Oh, doesn't do anything, so it won't charge with you when you reverse the polarity, so you can put it in safely backwards. Cool, so it goes red. So what I'm going to be testing these PowerOwl rechargeable nickel metal hydride AA batteries, I like saying all those words, is this 1600 lumen LED flashlight that I got. I purchased this specifically to test these batteries because I'll tell you, in the past I've always just used alkaline, and I'm really over just putting in the waste and actually trying to get rid of them. I plan on keeping these for a long time and using them. And we'll see how they do with this flashlight. So this flashlight does take 4 of the batteries. So let's go ahead and pull the cradle out, and we're going to put them in there. Not bad, eh? You know, it's kind of what I expected. Nice and bright. And it's rechargeable, so I can put this away for an emergency in a drawer. Keep this. Now what the PowerOwl is also telling you is when your batteries are completely green, they're charged up, it's not recommended to store them inside this charging cradle. It'll probably discharge them. So what you want to do is once they go green is take them out and store them in a safe room temperature environment. And the little bit of instructions they do give you ambient room temp to store your batteries at. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm definitely over alkaline. One thing about the alkaline is as the alkaline reaches its 50% state of charge, the voltage plummets. I mean, just a giant slope down. Whereas this maintains, like we expect with lithium and other metals, we expect the voltage plane to be more level. So now that you've got some rechargeable batteries, AA's, you're wondering what you should do with the alkalines. I'll tell you what you do not do. Don't ever put these alkalines inside these rechargeable trays. In fact, don't ever mix any lithium batteries inside this tray. Stick with only the nickel metal hydride batteries. So definitely do not put the alkaline in there.